In today's video, I'll show you the exact save game and config file location for Hogwarts Legacy on PC to safely back up your progress. All you have to do is go to search menu and type run, click on open it. In run window type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Find Hogwarts folder, just double click on the Hogwarts Legacy folder and double click on saved and double click on save games, random numbers, and this is where all of the game progress will be saved. Now I'll show you guys the config file location. Just go back, again go back and double click on config folder, Windows no editor folder, scroll down. You can able to see game user settings.ini. Just right click and select edit in notepad. You can able to edit the in-game graphic settings in here. As you can see resolution and scalability groups, all graphic settings you can edit in here. And after editing it, select file and select save option. The settings will be saved in game. Just close off here. And now I'll show you guys how to pack up the game progress. Go back to Hogwarts Legacy and right click on the saved folder and copy it and paste it in another location. For example, I'm gonna paste it in desktop. If something goes wrong, you can easily restore the game progress just by copy and paste in this location. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.